In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Ready or Not on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can be really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to your Google browser and we need to locate the game on Steam first before we can download it. So go to Steam, and once you are there, we are looking for the game Ready or Not. Click on it and scroll a little bit down, and then you can see that this is a quite expensive game, €49.99. But I got a workaround. If you go to the link in the description of this video and click on it, then you will be redirected to this site. And once we are there, we are searching for the same game. Now go to the left side and click on games. After that, sort by price lowest first. And once you have done that, you need to look to the green marked text. So that means that this game can be activated in your country. Once you go a little bit down, you will find this game which can be activated in your country and much cheaper. As you can see, it is only €13.12 and on Steam it was €49.99. So that is basically how you can save a lot of money. Once you want to buy this game for this price, then click on it, purchase it, and once you have purchased it, then you will receive an email confirmation to follow the steps to download and activate the game on Steam. So basically you're downloading the game on Steam, but much cheaper. And that is how you download Ready or Not on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!